So after I replaced the charging port, you can see now the devices take about 90 milliamp, and it's stuck at the screen. Or now it showed the battery low, but it's stuck at that error 2101, and the battery is not charging with a good amp. That's very low charging. It should be like 1 amp or something like that, not 90 milliamp. So let's check the charging IC, or some people they call it usbc IC, and we see if that's bad or what's going on with it. So here I plug it to the charge, and the device is taking 1 amp. So that's way better than how it was. And let me just see if I can turn it on. Yeah, I did see the screen. Yep, the device is on. It's still 1%. The touch screen work. Alright, yeah. So the device has a water damage and has a bad charging port. You can see the pins is short into the ground, and I think that's what happened. So could be like the water damage get to the console first and burn the charging IC, and the people start wiggling the charger port, thinking that's maybe just like the charging port is dirty, and they damage the charging port as well. And if you did look at the charger, this is the charger. You can see the pins here. This is all gonna need a new one here. This looks bad. So this console is fixed, and it just is gonna need to charge a little bit more. And this is just a 5-volt. Yeah, I think it's just a 5-volt charger. We're gonna need a bigger one. Now let me check this one here. Oh, it's a 15-volt. So you can see it here. The output is a 15-volt. So I'm gonna need another bigger adapter to charge it like quick. So let me put the console together and see if it's gonna charge more. So I plug it to a higher voltage USB-C charger. This charger can give up to 20 volt, and you can see it here is a 15 volt and half amp. And let me see if I can. And we have 11%, so the device is charging fine, and it works. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and see you next one.